Okay, for this problem, what we're looking for is the slope of the line at the point 25 comma 9. I mean, if you were to, you clearly work this to the point that you put in 25.1, you got the slope being 0.0999, 25.01, the slope is 0.0999 as well. If you go the other side of this, 24.9 is 1.001, 24.99, 0.1000. I keep saying it wrong. So what we're looking at is this is a limit problem where we're seeing the behavior as we approach that point. So on this curve, it looks something like this. Oh, you get to the draw. There you go. It looks something like this. So we want to know at the slope of this particular point, instead of looking at a secant line on either side. So what's happening as we get closer and closer to it, we're seeing the slope like that, slope like this, and so it's the trend is what's happening. And given that you see that 0.0999 for those two 0.100, that would imply then that slope is going to be somewhere in the middle there. So just 0.1000. That'd be the slope for this point using limits. Okay. The next problem here, let me see if I can do that. Go this next one down here. It says approximate the area between the x-axis and the graph, x squared fx equals x squared plus 1 over the interval from 0 to 2 by calculating the sum of the areas of the four rectangles with equal widths along the interval. The rectangle should be placed on the x-axis and the height should be the function values at the left endpoints. Okay, so this first one, so we're doing, how many is it, 4? So let me go to red so it really shows out. We have one here, another one here, another one here, and there's the last one. So this first one has a height of 1 and a width of, looks like 1/2. So we have 1/2 times 1 plus, then we have the same width, 1/2 times, the next one goes up to, looks like it's 1.25, and I can verify that with my handy dandy calculator. If I put it in there, so what we're looking at is 0.5 squared plus 1, yeah, that's 1.25. Plus the same width times the next one. If it's at 1, 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1/2 times the next one is going to be at 1.5 squared is 2.25 plus 1, so it gives us 3.25. So if we add all these up, we'll have 1/2 times 1 plus 1.25 plus 2 plus 3.25. So it's going to be 1/2 times what? It's 3, 4.25, 7.5. Let me just verify with my handy dandy calculator here. 1. Okay. 1 plus 1.25 plus 2 plus 3.25. Yep, 7.5 is correct. So half of that would be 3.75. And that's it. Hope that makes sense.